Hello guys, in yesterday's video about Nifty futures I was speaking about there is a B profile here. This indicates there is a good long unwinding, and till Nifty sustains below 23,800 levels, it is going to be a sell on rise. I was insisting on look for shorting opportunities because as the prices goes up towards the selling tail here, sellers will short again. So if you look at the prices never got accepted inside the value area. So let's understand in this context what we should be looking for Monday markets in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So coming to Nifty today, what happened? If you look at the price itself has opened inside the yesterday's value area. It tested the value area high, it tested the value area low, it closed inside the value area. Then what happened? As you all know, today RBI announcement was there regarding repo rates. That has brought some kind of volatility in the markets. But at the same time, in yesterday's video, as I was mentioning, never Nifty futures have crossed 23,800 levels. The high itself is just below 23,800 levels. This itself is a failed auction. Think about failed auctions like a buyer has attempted here, but some seller have absorbed whatever the buying quantity is there. This indicates buyer is not strong enough to push the prices higher than the value area low. What happens once this buyer gets exhausted? They exits and prices will move in the opposite direction. So that is what exactly happened. If you look at with a failed auction, IB low has been broken and there is a 100% range extension, which is the target on these failed auction days. For Monday, what we should be looking for, if you go back to my previous videos from last 2 to 3 days, you will understand one thing. I was speaking about there is a good one time framing market on 4th. So this one time framing market are very strong intraday but least reliable. So what does this mean is most of the time this one time framing market they get tested out. That is exactly happening today. From yesterday and today, it got accepted inside this one time framing market on 4th and immediately it started going down. So, and I was also particularly mentioning that there is a poor low here. So this poor low indicates the seller on at this point of time he is not strong enough. So buyer was strong here, so he took control on this day. But what happened, as the buyer takes the prices upside, at some point of time this buyer loses the momentum. So once the buyer loses the momentum, prices again reverts back to this poor low. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. You can be rest assured there is a high probability this poor low will be revisited. And for further targets, I was also mentioning in the last few videos, it will likely go for 23,300 levels, and I was also mentioning like 23,050 levels is also very much possible because of the multiple mechanical references, and there is one more failed auction here. So they act as a very strong price magnet. It's just a matter of time, not if. This is with Nifty, guys. And coming to Bank Nifty, there was a strong supply previously on 7th Jan 25, and this supply is acting as a good resistance. Today, if you look at Bank Nifty, in the first 30 minutes, prices have opened outside the value area of yesterday, but that indicated again there could be a upside move. But the high itself has got exactly rejected at the single print, which I have shown previously. Not only that, let me also give you some kind of clues. If you look at in the first 30 minutes, there is a bearish divergence. So whenever you see this bearish delta divergence, at some point of time any higher highs will attract more amount of selling. There was a higher high indicated by strong buying imbalances on the right side, but if you look at, there is no passive buying on the left side. That indicated a strong absorption is happening here. So with this absorption, what happens if these buyers they get trapped, and aggressively the morning divergence sellers will come in at higher prices, forcing these initial buyers to unwind their positions. So that is why if you look at today, there was a strong down move here. And I was also mentioning in yesterday's video, 50,200 remains a good support area. So if at all prices gets accepted, there is a good possibility it will go for the PPOC first target, and it might even go down to this value area low at 49,900 levels, and further lows is very much possible. For Monday, what you should be looking is, so whatever the up move that has happened in the last 1 hour, this up move itself, it looks like a trap. The late shorts, looking at this up move, many of the shorts, they would have exited their positions, and again there is a good possibility this area might get cleared, but till this high 51,000 is intact, again it is going to be in a highly improbable scenario is that if the prices goes upside without clearing this, at some point of time you can expect a strong down move, most probably during mainly Delhi election results. I would suggest you to look for shorting opportunities. If you are an option seller, it will be much better. Not only that, if you come into this daily time frame chart on Bank Nifty futures, if you look at today, it's a strong engulfing candle. In the last 2 days, there was a small narrow range candle, but today it was a engulfing candle indicated by breaking of high, and both low also has been broken. Even the body itself is closing more or less below the previous 2 days lows. And let me show you what happened when this engulfing candle has formed. So there is a engulfing candle here, there is another similar kind of engulfing candle, both are bearish. So today is also bearish. So previously what happened, there was a strong down move. I am expecting there is a good possibility prices might go downside. So for confirmation, I think look for the prices to break the today's low levels. Breaking and sustaining is much better on 30 minutes. For any kind of buying opportunities, guys, till Bank Nifty is below this 51,000, this is where strong demand has happened. Till Bank Nifty futures is below these levels, don't even think of any buying opportunity. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.